Le verbe. We have le verbe aller and le verbe sortir. The verbe aller is the verb to go. Now, le verbe aller helps us to do two things. To tell a movement from one point to another. And the second is to tell about our well-being. So, verbe aller, on the first person we say je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. Once more, je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. Now, to go to school, you will say, je vais à l'école. Means, I'm going to school. Tu vas au marché. Means you're going to the market. Il va, elle va au cinéma. Means you're going to the cinema. Nous allons à l'église. Means you're going to church. Vous allez au Canada. Means you're going to Canada. Ils vont, elles vont au centre-ville. They are going to the center city. Okay. Now, verbe sortir is different than verbe aller. Verbe sortir is the verb to go out. The difference is this is one point to another. This is coming out of a premises. So, verbe sortir, we say je sors, tu sors, il sort, elle sort, nous sortons, vous sortez, ils sortent, elles sortent,